is pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
She puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Good morning, dear children. We will now recite our Mother Goose rhymes. Johnny, you recite the first stanza.
Old Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would ride through the air on a very fine gander.
Oh, Mother Goose and her nursery rhymes. What does she know about modern times? This is more like it.
To get at this boodle, I had to use my noodle. I'm a sharpie. That's why my name's Pinhead. This is why I'm white-brained. This is gonna be sensational. The first crooks at Fort Knox.
Caught in the act. Crime doesn't pay.
You ain't got nothing on us. We're a couple of coin collectors. Ain't talking, see?
Audrey, recite the next line.
I ain't talking. I ain't no stool pigeon, see?
Audrey, go sit in the corner and memorize Mother Goose.
Or this sticky stuff. Oh, Mother Goose, that's puts me to sleep. The real Mother Goose?
Yes, and there's Mother Goose Land. You're in for a surprise. We sing, we jive, we're quite alive. What you see will open your eyes. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy that tends the sheep? Well, Digny Jackson is fast asleep. When he lets out steam, then he blows his top. When he blows that horn, he can sure be buff.
Wa-da-da-dee, boing, boing, treep, trop. When he lets off steam, then he blows his top. When he blows that horn, he can sure be buff.
Boy, that's a dilly.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his hair was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, she fleeced him for his dough. Look, there's little Tommy Tucker who'll sing for his supper.
Let's get lost, lost in each other's arms. Let's get lost, let them send out alarms.
way. Don't miss it, folks. It's Paramours. Yeah, it's slick. The goose what lays the golden eggs. What a chick. Steal the show, Bird Brain. It's a golden opportunity.
Yeah.
Let's!
Up with the dukes. This is a stick-up.
It's those phony, funny crooks. Oh, dear. They don't belong in here. Let me have your horn, Boy Blue.
Oh, stop thief. Oh, wait for me. Oh, wait. I'm hard-boiled. Ah, nothing can make me crack up.
Stop, Dave!
Audrey.
I met Mother Goose. Say, teacher, she's gee. She's hep to the jive. She's terrific. She's squee.
She's hip to the jive. That old Mother Goose is sure alive.
She spends what she puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Slim Sloan opened the door. And there before him lay the body with a knife sticking in its back. Detective Sloan's keen-piercing eyes searched the room. Suddenly, machine gun bullets hissed over his head. A shriek!
Audrey, aren't you asleep yet?
Yes, Mother, I'm fast asleep. Extra! Extra! Read all about it! Extra! Stand back, everybody! This is a case for Private Eye Audrey.
I was home looking at television.
Quiet, everybody! Did you commit the murder?
I only murders the English language.
Hey, you! What have you got up your sleeve?
It's my silver anniversary.
He did it! 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 He did it!
Okay, come on, spill the beans. You're under arrest, Mr. Cuckoo. Here is the killer of Cut Robin. Stop. Stop. I confess. I didn't mean to hit him. The arrow is a valentine.
A valentine? Mary Canary!